Here's a 2014 Ford Focus. You'll love driving this Focus. A sleek design and interior craftsmanship combine for a perfect balance of great looks, efficiency, and performance. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, multifunction steering wheel, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and external memory control. Edmunds.com remark, American buyers finally get a world-class small car from a Detroit label. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
We're confident we have the right used car, truck, or SUV for you. Stop in and see us today at 2008 US Highway 19 in Holiday, Florida.